Hello everyone. How can a gourmet feast be without soup? Today, I will introduce to you a nutritious and appetizing soup, which is very simple to make. The first vegetable we use here is yam. You can use potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, zucchini, or other root vegetables or gourd vegetables. First, peel it and cut it into small pieces. Put it in a bowl after cutting. Prepare a tomato, cut it in half to remove the root, then cut it into small pieces and put it on a plate after cutting. Chop green onions, 3 garlic cloves, smash and chop them into minced pieces, and put them on a plate after cutting. Chop a few green vegetables, crack 2 eggs I just laid, stir them thoroughly, add a little oil to the pan, and heat it. Then pour in the egg liquid, stir fry it into this kind of egg piece. Add a little more oil to the pot, then add chopped green onion and minced garlic, stir fry until fragrant, add tomatoes after frying, stir fry until juice comes out. Then add more water, boil, add the first vegetable ingredient, simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add chopped eggs and green vegetables, stir evenly. Then we start seasoning, add a spoonful of salt, a little pepper, add appropriate amount of light soy sauce, and stir evenly with a spoon. Wow, it's so fragrant and looks so appetizing. I share exotic dishes every day. If you like it, please subscribe and leave your country and city in the comment area. You will soon be able to have the special ingredients in the video without leaving home. Put it in a large bowl, and a nutritious and delicious vegetable soup is ready. Make it for your lover quickly.